Hi guys, it's oh wait, sorry. Hi guys, it's Phantom Fan 1993 again. I'm going to make a video of my Phantom Cyclone XT running. But first, some updates. I'm not going to go down there, but I found a Kenmore Progressive direct drive in the trash a couple of weeks ago. I only picked it up because my dad's vacuum, which is the same one, needed some parts. So it's missing the cord, so I can't run it, but I got one of those, and I also bought a new HEPA filter for my Phantom Thunder, because the old one was replaced when I just got the vacuum, and that was over 2 years ago. So, and I already had one over here, but it's for the 11 amp models, and that it's a little bit too big. It doesn't exactly fit in there. But here's the Phantom Cyclone XT running. Lights work. It has sorry, the hand release is broken. It has all of its attachments. I won't take them out. The HEPA filter's been replaced. So here's the Phantom Cyclone XT running, and going to, let's see if I can get this thing propped up in a good position here. Let's see now. It goes right here. So, okay. I'm sorry if the quality isn't the best, but here's the Phantom Cyclone XT running. So there's the Phantom Cyclone XT. It hasn't been running a while, that's why it's a little dusty. As you can tell, it doesn't sound quite right. If you guys could help me out, maybe you'll be able to tell what that is. I got it off of eBay for $70 and on eBay last year. Take the camera back. And it doesn't work. It works okay on carpet, but it doesn't sound quite right. The brush roll doesn't turn. The motor cuts out, and the brush roll stays on when it's on the floor setting. And if you can, let's see, what picked up. Did a pretty good job, but as you can see, the bin's in very bad shape, and it makes kind of a faint smell of burning. It doesn't seem to be affecting the vacuum too much because I've used it for over a year now. But I love it still though because I love the looks of it, and I think it's a neat looking vacuum. So I'm glad I have it. But if you guys could help me out with what's wrong with it, that would be greatly appreciated. So that's my Fam Cyclone XT that I got in April of 2011. So this is Fan 1993 signing off for now. I'll make some other fan videos later. Bye.